So we're having some people to ask for quick sustainability tips dealing with being healthy, and I think that's really important because a lot of sustainability tips actually is about cleanliness. However, Deb doesn't always think that I'm the best person to give those tips because...
Well, let's just say I used to call her Typhoid Mary.
Okay. So, I'm giving a couple of tips and we'll see if Deb approves of that. One of the things that I think that you should do is keep your sponges clean on a regular basis, and one of the best ways to do that is to put it into the dishwasher and wash it in with the dishwasher load.
Okay.
You approve?
Sure.
Okay. The other thing I think is really super important right now is to wash your water bottles daily, not just by hand, but in the dishwasher. So what do you think about that, Deb?
Okay.
All right. So there is a quick sustainability tip that's healthy as well.
Good job, Mary.
Thanks.
Just Mary, nothing else. Love you.
Love you.